Hello friends, Sabko Namaste. So today in this video we will create a vehicle classification code. Before explanation of this code, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So please let's get started. So here we first download the dataset from the Kaggle. Let me run this cell. Okay. See the file is in this part of the dataset file will be the Kaggle input vehicle classification. So we have to copy the file in this current directory. We have to copy. So how we can do it? Just using insertil then os, then the destination will be content and the name of that is vehicle classification. Make directory. Okay, we will make a directory of dst. If it exit or no, then we just copy path, means this copy this vehicle classification data set to a destination data set. Okay, so just run this. Wait for the seconds. Okay, so from Kaggle, from this path but data set is come to our current directory. It means the content directory. So now let me show you the data set. First let complete this cell. Process of the cell will be complete. Then I will show you that how our data set look like. So it's completed. So let me open it. It's contained three folder: test, train and validation. Then train, it's, you can see these are the classes: SUV, bus, family, okay. So now let me show you number of images in per classes. You can say for fire engine we have for 140 classes, 140 images, and for the bus we have 140 images. Truck 140, means every classes we have same number of images. Okay, and how we have done it? We have just used the train directory, then os list directory give me the all file name of all folder name present at particular directory. After that we will iterate over the train directory file, then we get a class name. After that, getting the class name, we create a class folder directory. How? This train directory, then slash, then class name. This way we get a folder path, class name folder path. After that we just use the os.list directory, then we will get the number of images present at particular class name folder, and just we have put the length, and we get a length in each number of images in each class name. So this is happening. Now we will do data visualization, means how the our images look like in that particular classes. So how we can do it? Just use matplot, pyplot.plot, then random, then images. For reading of the images, we want to plot 16 images, so we use 4 rows, 4 columns. Each figure size will be 20 by 16. We use figure.x. Figure basically represent the entire subplot, and x basically used for the iteration. X.rebel basically convert x 2D into 1D because easy for the iteration. Then we will make OS train directory. Here the train directory is this one. Okay, so we make a folder name of each folder name, means list of all the folder name present in a particular train directory. Then we will loop 16 times. After that we will randomly select the folder name. After randomly select the folder name, we want to name the class name files, means we want to name number of images present in that particular class name folder. So how we can do that? For that we use os.list directory, and for the path we use this one, os.path.join train directory, and the class name give me the folder class name directory path. After that, for getting the image path, we will just use os.path.join train directory, then the class name, means this one, and the randomly select the class name files. Okay, or you can see the image file, and this way we get the image path. After that we just open the image and just show that with the class set title, means the class name will be, you can say the class name will be that of the folder name itself. Okay, so let me run it now. See this family sedan, heavy truck, jeep, SUV, fire engine, family sedan, truck, bus, family sedan, taxi, racing car, fire engine, truck, fire engine, and bus. This way our classes there. Now we are using the YOLO model. For that we have to install Ultralytics to load a pre-trained YOLO model. So here we loading YOLOv8 okay model for classification purpose. This way we load it. After loading it, we have to train it on a custom data set. For that we have to give the vehicle classification, means the folder name we have to give epoch 20, means for 20 epoch, but right now I just want to use for 5 epoch. Okay, And just for the explanation purpose, if you can increase epoch value to 20 or 50, as you can see the result accuracy, you can increase it. Now image size will be 224. Batch 8 means when you can say when the number of images is divided into batches, so in each batch 8 images should be there. Okay, name vehicle classification YOLOv8. What it's mean here, it's that when you will run the cell, you will get a run folder. Inside run folder, you will get a classify folder. Inside the classify folder, one folder will be there whose name is which name is decided by us, and this is the name of that particular folder. Inside this folder, you will get a weight folder where you can download your best weight. Okay, save true. Yes, we want to save the weights file. Save period -1 means we do not want to save every epoch weight file. We just want to save the best epoch weight file. Patience 20 means after every 20 epoch, it will see that whether the training accuracy increases or training loss decreases or not. If it is not happening, then it will stop the training and then it will save the best weight file. Validation true. Yes, we want to validation also. And this is a, you can say, as you can say, we have a 140 images only, so we need to increase number of images. So how we can increase this, we have to add data augmentation. So these are some data augmentation. Okay, degree 50, rotation of that, vertical flip, horizontal flip, image scaling, and shear angle and translation. So this will be increase the number of images. Now let me run this cell. The training gets started. It's going on, so wait for that. Now let me explain you how you can let me first complete that first epoch. After first epoch will complete, you will get some, let me refresh it. Okay, wait for the second. Here run folder will also will occur. Okay, let me complete one epoch. See, when you will get run folder, inside the run folder you will get the classify folder, and the folder inside it you will get one folder whose name is decided by us, and then we have to get this thing. After completing one epoch, you will see that okay, one epoch is completed. Now let me refresh it. You will get one result.csv file will be there. Basically, it store all the losses, classification, all the training loss and accuracy loss data. Okay, so how we can retrieve that? So for retrieving that, we have to use this thing. So let me explain to this part now. From we use pandas and matplotlib. Now we have to first result path we have to make. This way we'll make a result path. After making the result path, we have to create a data frame using a pandas. So for that we use pd.read csv. It will read the csv file and create a data frame. Now clean column names. Here we are cleaning the column name. How we are doing? Just df the columns dot str dot strip. This way we get a df the clean column names. Now after that, for the plotation, first thing, plot.figure. For plotation of training loss, we use figure size will be 8 by 5. And what we want to plot, this thing, df train loss. This way we get a training loss for 5 epoch, because right now we are using we have epoch value will be 5. That's why. And marker 0, yes, we want to mark each value of loss. This is a title, this is a x label, this is a y label, and this is, yes, we want to grid also. Yes, product show. After that, same for the you can say training accuracy. For accuracy, we use this thing. How we can get that? Matrix accuracy top 1. This way we get a metric as accuracy. And marker 0, I also explain you. So this is a loss. You can say this is a result for the 20 epoch. Okay, this is result of the 20 epoch. How this is working? Okay. Now I think so our loss training also got completed for us in few time. Okay, before that, let me explain this thing also. Now how you can load a pre-trained model, because you know that inside this weight folder your best weight file will be there. Let it come. It's taking time. Okay, it will come. Okay, so how we can load that? We just have to give the path in content, run, classify, then vehicle classification. Inside that you have a weight file. Inside the weight file you will get a best.pd where you can load that model. After loading that particular model, we have to get a test directory. Okay, test image directory, then we have to make the list of all the folder. You see here, after inside the wait folder, you will get best and last. Okay. After that, here we make the all the folder name, or you can say class name, folder name, using os.list directory. Okay. After that, we want to plot 16 images. I have explained you this whole thing, 16 loop. Then this part, random select the folder name. Okay. After selecting random from folder name, we want to know. So this thing also be there. I think so. Let me vehicle classification test. Okay, inside this test directory, no folders is there. Only the images is present. So that's why we here the os.list directory basically list all the images present in that particular, you can say, folder in test directory. Okay, after that we will randomly select the image path. This is not required. Okay. Not required. So after selecting random select the image path, we have to create the image path. How we can create the image path? Just use test image folders, means this one, and just image folder means, you can say not in the image folder. Let me replace it. Let me correct the variable's name. Test image folders, it will be image files. Okay, in test image folder, you can get folders, not folder only. You will get the images file. After getting the images file, from the images file, we have to select image file. It will select image file name NAME. Okay, after that, here we are passing, for getting the image folder, we are just passing the image file name. Here the image path is ready. We will read that image. After that, we just pass to that in the model image path. For getting, we are passing us one image. To get the result of that one image, we use 0 index value. After that, to get a class ID, we use result props.top1 accuracy, because we have multiple classes. So means multiple probabilities will be there. So inside that multiple probability, or you can say percentage value, top one probability, or you can say percentage we get, we use class ID for hazard that. After that, we use class name. For getting the class name, use moderator name class ID. Just pass the class ID, you will get a class name. After that, how to retrieve the confidence? We use result.prop.top1 confidence.item. We will get the confidence. Okay, now we will convert that image into BGR to RGB. After that, we will show that image. Okay, so here we just plot the predicted class name confidence, and we will plot it. Yes, access off. Now you can see our training got completed for the 5 epoch. Now let me show the graphs of that. See, this is a graph for just for the 5 epoch. As accuracy increases and loss will be decreases. Now let me show the result of the model which is trained on just 5 epoch. Okay, it will be folders. Now it's completed. Now let me run it. So this is the result of the model which is trained on just 5 epoch. Okay. See. Yes, this is truck. This is taxi. Yes, correct. This is minibus. Yes, correct. Okay. This is, I think so, truck. Correct. This is fire engine. Fire engine. I think so. No, heavy truck. Perfect. Heavy truck. Perfect. Heavy truck. Perfect. Racing car. Perfect. SUV. Perfect. SUV. Perfect. Truck. Yes. Racing car. Fire engine. Truck. Jeep. I think so. In the model which is trained in just 5 epoch, it's working very well. So you can download that model and use anywhere you want to use. Okay. So this way I have explained you everything line by line and everything. Okay. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks to all.